Okay guys, what's up? We're going to Caesar's house right now, so I'm going to catch you guys when we're there, and we're going to spend the day at his house. So let's do it.
Bad enough I had to bury a brother. Couple years past, had to bury another. Feeling so my heart is so cut up, my head just won't shut up, not sure I'll recover. When you were buried, my life hit the gutter. Fell in the deep end and quickly sank under. Sick of the crazy, the chaos, the ruckus. So tired and cranky and sad and disgusted with any and everything. I didn't want it, I wanted to throw the whole world in the dumpster. Took a lot just to not become the monster I wanted to become. That's how much I love you. All I know is every time.
I forgot to address to you guys that we are going to McDonald's right now, and some pretty funny things happened as we were walking over here. The crew's in front of me.
Is not open. The other one, yes it is.
We're gonna buy like 400 chicken McNuggets or something like that. So, yeah.
That doesn't even try. Dude, oh my gosh. Is it a quarter each?
Yeah.
Piece pinch. It doesn't even pinch. Did you see that?
Yeah. Alright, so we just got like, how many nuggets?
Isn't there one more coming? There's 300. Isn't there one more coming?
We got three, we get 300?
I think it's like 250.
Dude, that's a lot of nuggets, bro. That's a lot, yeah, bro.
We have a high blood pressure.
Dude, we all gonna have cancer, bro. We're gonna do 250 nugget challenge. We're gonna make this a new challenge, dude.
That's
Oh,
nothing.
you started it.
That's nothing. I feel like I could.
I am the 250 challenge.
Oh gosh.
Time I think of you, I pray there's a heaven that's sitting above us, so you can find peace, a little relief, and so I believe simply because I love you.
What are you about to do?
I thought Caesar was all people would have like
Oh my gosh.
Dude, I guarantee you if I was normal.
Hey bro, I'm gonna FaceTime you while I'm training.
Oh gosh. Yeah, that's like record it.
Alright, I can screen record.
Oh my gosh. What are you doing, Johnny? He's in that bathroom right over there. Say what's up to the camera.
54.
What did you do? Oh, you switched the camera?
Like 7 of them.
Cause he drank the Fanta. Oh, Fanta. Oh, dude, that's nasty.
No, I'm gonna throw it down the slide. Dude, that low key made me want to throw up like so bad.
Andrew, oh my god, dude.
He's gonna throw up like you, Johnny. Shove your finger down your throat while you do it.
Why do you guys want to throw up?
Yeah.
I'm saying, I want to throw up.
You want to?
No, I said I don't want to. That's gross, dude.
Oh. Look, he's gonna shove his finger down.
Oh my gosh.
I was stepping away.
Dude, oh my gosh.
Don't throw up. You guys aren't even throwing up big, bro. It's not coming out. Mine too.
Oh gosh.
Caesar's was the biggest.
Why are we recording this? Oh! 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 That's nasty.
That's all nugget, bro. That's all nugget.
Oh! That's big.
Hey guys, turn around. Guys, turn around. The family's just watching.
He's gonna throw up.
Oh, that's gross. Oh my
Why is
god.
it all red, bro? It's like Fanta. Hey, someone stand on it.
What's your name?
Christian.
How old are you?
17.
How did you feel before this this little excursion?
Happy and excited to hang out with friends.
How do you feel now?
Happy and excited to hang out with friends.
And afraid.
How old are you?
17.
What's your name?
Johnny. Marty McFly Williams.
Back to the future.
Freaking.
My name is Johnny.
How did you feel before this?
That I was about to grab on some chicken nuggets.
How do you feel after?
Like, the chicken nugget, I took a big old dookie.
Let me show you how Johnny actually feels.
That's what he feels like. What's your name, Andrew?
Andrew.
How did you feel before this?
I was super hyped to do it.
How do you feel after?
I feel like a piece of crap. And I feel like I can't eat anymore. But yeah.
All right, what's your name?
Caesar.
I just put the address.
How old are you?
16, I think.
What did you feel like before we went on this adventure?
To be honest, dude, I was just like, hey, I'm gonna chill with friends and eat chicken nuggets. But now I'm just like, I want to go home, and I want you guys to go home.
Same, dude. Let's go.
So yeah, let's bounce. Let's roll.
Shoot! I don't want to do this again.
Dude.
It's not wet anymore, that's why. That's exactly how I felt.
What?
You're stupid.
Am I gonna slide down? $5 soon. No, I'm joking, dude.
Buried my brother yesterday. Mama swears he went off to a better place, where angels cry in God's good grace. Let that be the case.